everybody, I'm Gabby and this is Gabby Tech. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I would like to remind you to subscribe if you're new and also to enroll for my special Divom D2 giveaway. If you're wondering what is Divom D2, this is a Bluetooth speaker looking like mini retro computer. It has a lot of extras and it's something that everybody would want. If you want to know how to enroll for the giveaway, you should go and check my Divom D2 review and you will find the requirements there. Thank you very much. One more thing. From my previous video, I promised that I will respond to all of your questions that you asked me in the comment section, starting by this one from Suba. Hi Gabi, what medical education do you have? Suba, I'm studying medicine right now and I'm 5th year. I have one more year to study medicine, then I have residency that I need to do on certain specialty which I haven't chosen yet. Thank you very much for asking. I hope you like my answer. Now, in today's video, I'm gonna show you one more package from MSI. Me and my friend Octopus, that's my new toy. It's a mood octopus, they're super cute and it's pink. And today everything looks so pink to me, the world is pink. Are you wondering why? You look at this box, it seems similar to you because it's a laptop package from MSI, but this one has special taste. Let's check it out. The packaging is top-notch as usual. This time, except the laptop, we received some special stuff also that I will show you. The box is special with rose gold MSI logo. Packaging. Are you ready? I present you the most beautiful laptop I have ever seen in my life. This is MSI Prestige 14, the elite series of MSI laptops for business and productivity. Not only, it's suitable for content creation and even gaming. MSI upgraded this laptop with the best hardware you can imagine. A new Intel Tiger Lake processor that has very good integrated graphics. But if this is not enough for you, there is a version up to GTX 1650 graphics card for high demands. The design is just flawless, but we will speak about this in a video where we are going in detail about this laptop. Now I just want to mention the color. Do you see that amazing pink color? When you look at it, you can't just skip it. If you see somebody with this laptop, I know for sure you will look a lot. Have you seen more impressive color than this? Everything with such a precise detail. I'm speechless. But not only the laptop is in this set, there are more stuff, more pink. As a compliment from MSI, we receive this ultra cute keychain, the MSI Dragon in pink. It's so cute, flawless, detailed. I love it, I love it. Not only this, wait, there is more. Another compliment from MSI is this amazing wireless mouse in the same color. You're saying, isn't this enough? No, MSI thought one more thing. They put this special back, glossy pink back. Do you see that amazing limited set here? It's so beautiful, so pink and flawless, with cushioning inside so you can take everywhere your beauty, because this is pure beauty, ultimate princess set. Now I want to speak a little bit about the pink color and what does it do to your brain and your emotions. Pink color is associated with femininity, with health, with children, with calm nature, with happiness. It makes you smile. It's even proved, medically proved, that pink, if you look every day 15 minutes at pink color, it removes aggression and bad feelings, but not more than 15 minutes. Because don't forget that pink is mixture of white and red, and after a certain time, about 15 minutes, it can lead to aggression. It can have the opposite effect. The dosage is important. 15 minutes per day to calm your soul. This is the beauty of the pink color. I know, I will give one more example. Always when something is pink, it's 100% limited. You don't believe me? I'll give example with the fittings. Water cooling fittings, hot candy pink. Google it. You will see that they're more expensive than the others and they're always finished because everybody is attracted to pink, no matter what the gender is. Hey, I know you males, I know you also like pink. Don't think this is a feminine color only. This is the color of the soul, the color of the happiness. It reminds you not only of love and romantic, but of good feeling, a feeling of cherishness. I really love that pink color. And I admit that if I see somebody with this laptop, I would just stare there and thinking that this is the ultimate laptop that you can actually get, not only if you're female. I know male would be a little bit conservative about getting this color, that's why MSI thought for you guys also. This laptop is available in beautiful white, pure color and in gray one. Prestige 14, the ultimate business laptop, business, elite, luxury, class, content creation and even gaming. Not bad. Wait for the detailed review of this beautiful princess here and subscribe to my channel. Like this video, follow me in all social media. Now let's place it in the back. So smooth feeling, such a beautiful design. Exquisite work from MSI. Even the zippers are rose gold pink. Then you take your keychain. Come on, how many of you have this type of keychain? Not many. You put your beautiful mouse and you're ready to hit the way with MSI Prestige 14 Elite Laptop Series just for you. Thank you very much guys for watching.